Hey everyone, welcome back to Hustle. Today, we're diving into the world of online surveys and how you can actually make money by sharing your opinions and insights. We've researched and selected 5 legitimate survey platforms that can help you earn some extra cash from the comfort of your home. Let's jump right in. Platform 1, Swagbucks. First up, we have Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a versatile platform that not only offers surveys but also various other ways to earn. After signing up, you can participate in surveys, watch videos, shop online, and more. Each activity earns you Swagbucks, which can be redeemed for gift cards or PayPal cash. Swagbucks is known for its user-friendly interface and a range of options to earn rewards. Platform 2, Survey Junkie. Moving on to Survey Junkie. This platform is solely focused on surveys and is known for its straightforward approach. After signing up and completing your profile, you'll receive survey invitations based on your demographics. Each survey you complete earns you points, which can be redeemed through PayPal or various e-gift cards. Survey Junkie has a user-friendly website and a wide range of survey topics. Platform 3, Vindale Research. Next, let's talk about Vindale Research. This platform offers paid surveys as well as opportunities for product evaluations and video surveys. Once you sign up and complete your profile, you'll receive survey invitations in your email. Vindale Research pays in cash, and you can request your earnings through PayPal. Keep in mind that some surveys might require pre-qualification, but the platform offers the potential for higher paying opportunities. Platform 4, Pinecone Research. Now, let's explore Pinecone Research. This is an exclusive survey platform that focuses on product-related surveys. Pinecone Research often invites users to provide feedback on new products before they hit the market. The platform pays a fixed rate for each completed survey, and you can redeem your earnings through PayPal or gift cards. Pinecone Research is known for its consistent payout rate and interesting survey opportunities. Platform 5, Inbox Dollars. Last but not least, we have Inbox Dollars. This platform offers a variety of ways to earn money, including paid surveys. Sign up, complete your profile, and start participating in surveys that match your interests. Inbox Dollars also offers additional earning opportunities like reading emails, playing games, and more. You can cash out your earnings through PayPal or choose from a selection of gift cards. So there you have it, 5 legitimate online survey platforms that can help you make some extra money from the comfort of your own home. While these platforms can be a great way to earn a bit of cash on the side, it's important to remember that you won't become rich overnight. Consider using these platforms as a way to supplement your income and have fun while sharing your opinions. Before you get started, make sure to do your own research, read reviews, and understand the terms of each platform. Remember, the more you engage with these platforms, the more you're likely to earn. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to Hustle for more tips and tricks on making money online. Thanks for watching.